Hi loves, what is up? This is Ala from Ala Loves and I welcome you to my channel. Today I am sharing this short cleaning motivational video and I hope you will enjoy this instant cleaning motivation. I know it is a very stressful time right now and most of us stay home feeling sad and bored, but homemaking is a never-ending job. So let us jump into it and hopefully forget about the stress for these 15 minutes. And if you have some task for this day, clean with me right now. I want to support you as much as I possibly can. As you could see, we had a pretty messy entryway and the kitchen is a disaster. And I also have a dryer full of laundry waiting for me. I guess it's already been a couple of hours. But we are all home now and kids want to have some fun, so we have what we have. And this is real life. But luckily, we didn't have to cook dinner today. But I had to prepare this kitchen still because you have seen there was not even an empty space. We just sorted out the grocery shopper and had a snack, so now it's time to clean up. I'm not going to do any mopping today because it is getting late and everybody's tired, so I just make floor clean enough to be able to walk barefoot this evening and the next morning. And as soon as I'm ready with the kitchen, I will go to the laundry room. Yes, I do try my best to do at least one load per day. Otherwise, I'm afraid to think even how far the situation could bring me. And please let me know what is your laundry situation right now and are you folding with me today?
Standing under the rising sun, thinking that a party is over, but it only just begun. Oh, you feeling like it's time, make it up your mind. Push the play and find your way, cause you ain't gotta lose. Living on the edge, living on the edge. Maybe feeling like you ain't going to make it through. Oh. Pick it up, turn the lights, listen up, make it right. All you need is believe you can do what you like. When you feel like it's time, pick your fight, shine aside. 'Cause life is always what you make it. And just because it sounds surreal doesn't mean you have to change it. All you gotta do is try it. You got the chance to make it right, yeah. All you gotta do is take the fight, yeah. Well, you can take back what you've been said or done. In the end, we're always standing under the rising sun, thinking that a party is over, but it only just begun. Better keep on walking, keep on moving, feel like proving, always do what's true to you. And just because it's not great doesn't mean you have to change it. All you gotta do is try it. You got the chance to make it right, yeah. All you gotta do is take the fight, yeah. You just gotta do it all.
Okay, and here's the entry room. Yes, it looks like disaster, but it is a fun anyway because it is a challenge every time, so it makes me stronger and more inventive. Let me say, now I will master this course in less than 10 minutes. But the dinner is very soon and I'm very much motivated.
Thinking that a party is over, but it only just begun. Oh, yeah. Feeling like it's time, make it up your mind. Push the play and find your way, cause you ain't gotta lose. Living on the edge, living on the edge. Baby, feeling like you ain't gonna make it through. Oh. Just because it sounds real doesn't mean you have to change it. All you gotta do is try it. You got the chance to make it right, yeah. All you gotta do is take the fight, yeah. You just gotta do it again. Oh.
hope you guys enjoyed this short cleaning routine motivational video, and hopefully you also managed to do something with me. Let me know in the comments if so. Be sure to click the subscribe button if you have not done yet and turn all notifications on. I also hope that you are safe and healthy, and please take care of yourself during this stay home challenge. I will talk to you again soon. Bye bye.